Welcome back, everybody. So I hope you enjoyed that tour of Boddy Creek Manor. I thought we would take a look at it again, and I can kind of walk you through what I've done here. Starting with my entryway. As you can see, I've got my Frankenstein picture in here this year. Last year we did Headless Horseman. So this here's kind of a mishmash of themes. So I kind of figured I would do Frankenstein and Dracula. So here we have Dracula's coffin. Clearly, he's had a disagreement with his lovely lady. And of course, I gotta have my butler here standing by the door. But here's Dracula himself. He must have caught a little bit of sun, so. Anyway, as we move into the living room, if you remember last year, I did a literary theme where it was basically about a witch who had lost her husband and was trying to find some spell that would bring him back. Well, this year she has succeeded. Not bringing back her husband, but she's been experimenting on these pumpkins to find herself a man, and she has succeeded. Unfortunately, he's a bit of a demon, a pumpkin demon. So throughout the room here, you can see lots of remnants of her past experiments, all the pumpkin heads everywhere. Lots and lots of orange. Here you can see her spell book sitting on the table as she was trying to find that spell that was going to work. And of course, a holdover from last year. Her wedding snow globe. I didn't change too much this year on the display, except for the lighting. I did a separate video on that. I kind of like the way the light keeps changing, as opposed to leaving it on the one color. The urns are the witches from Hocus Pocus, if you remember. I used to have them labeled, but they're just kind of urns now. And of course, here is my witch's former husband, a ghost form haunting the house, wondering what's going on with the pumpkin in the corner. Some trick-or-treat letters here that I built a couple of years back. I really liked that mantle, so I brought it back a little bit with the trick-or-treat. Some of my Goodwill finds, these pumpkin holders with the dangly orange bits. And again, just more pumpkins. Pumpkin explosion in this room. Even incorporated it in the pillows. All pillows I made myself. I show you how to do that in another video if you're interested. No sew pillows. It's my wreath that one of my subscribers made me a couple of years ago. I always use it. I love it. Last year, of course, we had literary themes everywhere, so my Edgar Allan Poe and poem. And as we make our way up the stairs, we saw the lenticulars here, which I use most years, and my little butler. The bride of Frankenstein, as I like to think of it, as my witch in her younger days. The witch, of course, is hiding here on the balcony as well, keeping an eye on her pumpkin demon. As we go downstairs, we've got the werewolf hiding in the basement, creeping upstairs. That's a witch's pet dog. I guess werewolves aren't dogs, but close enough. I did not do too much in the bathroom this year. I've got a couple potions on the shelf. I did not decorate this because last year, when I had my Halloween day party, kids were too frightened to use the bathroom here, and I had to use my master bathroom, which was a little embarrassing because I had stuffed all of the things I just needed to stash away there in the room. Here in the kitchen, we've got some more witches. Of course, what's a good witch without some apples? Tainted with a spider. And then down here on the bottom, their cauldron that we made last year, filled with some green ornaments to look like they're bubbling. And my witch's chair, witch in the chair, she was on sale at Home Depot for 50% off right now. Still in stock, which surprises me because she sold out so fast last year. Spell book, a love spell, open on the table here. Bloody candles, I love those, I put them everywhere. In the kitchen this year, we do have my alien I found on Facebook Marketplace. I didn't really have a good place for him. It kind of reminds me of the refrigerator, so hence in the kitchen. Not too much on the countertops. There's a couple of signage pictures. I pared down a little bit this year. I pared down a lot, actually. And then on the countertop, these are going out in the party area on Halloween, since I'm doing a pirate theme. They're my tentacle candle holders that were very difficult to find. Ended up getting them at home after a lot of searching. And my headless horseman gets a new home here in this little niche. And then up the stairs, creepy mummy coming down the attic. You never know what's hiding upstairs. I did witches' hats on the wall here. I thought that was kind of an interesting decoration. And then, of course, a body on the stairs. It's actually going to be going in the car outside. But I thought, for now, she can rest on the stairs. There's my garage door. I'm going to get that boarded up. I may use that ghost or the ghoul that I bought at Target last year that pulls the curtain back, since most of my party will be in the garage. And of course, my countdown to Halloween that keeps me anxious. Gotta get all the decorating done, so that'll be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Happy haunting.